बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज रेफरेंस के बारे में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा और ये रेफरेंस जो पार्ट है ये हमारी रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी का लास्ट पार्ट है। सबसे पहले रेफरेंस के बारे में मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये एक बोरिंग टॉपिक है लेकिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। हम रेफरेंस क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, हम साइटेशन यूज़ क्यों करते हैं। तो बेसिकली रेफरेंस हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं कि हमने किसी और का जो काम है, रिसर्च वर्क है, हमने उसको जो है ना कोट करना है, हमने उससे कुछ नॉलेज गेन किया, हमने उससे कुछ डेटा जो है वो लिया और हमने उसको वहाँ पे क्रेडिट देना है। उस क्रेडिट के लिए हम रेफरेंस या साइटेशन जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं। और रेफरेंस और साइटेशन के लिए मुख्तलिफ मेथोडोलॉजी है, मुख्तलिफ स्टाइल है, जिस तरह MLA है, APA अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन स्टाइल है, हार्वर्ड, शिकागो, बहुत अच्छे और आसान स्टाइल में मौजूद है। तो आज तमाम मैं जो है ना उसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगा और आपने इसको गौर से सुनना है और मुकम्मल तौर पे देखना है, क्योंकि जो पहली दो वीडियोस मैंने आपके साथ रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी के हवाले से शेयर की हैं, जिनमें मैंने आपको बताया कि रिसर्च आर्टिकल किस तरह से लिखा जाता है, उसके क्या क्या पार्ट्स हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन, उसकी मेथोडोलॉजी, लिटरेचर, रिजल्ट्स, डिस्कशन, कंक्लूजन एंड नाउ देयर इज द रेफरेंस। इसी तरह थीसिस, सिनॉप्सिस, इन तमाम के एंड के ऊपर हमने रेफरेंस या साइटेशन को जरूर इंक्लूड करना होता है। तो अब हम अपना जो टॉपिक है उसकी तरफ आते हैं और आपने इसको जो है ना गौर से सुनना है और इसको पढ़ना है। A way of giving credit for someone thinking, writing, or research. You mark the material when you use it, a citation, and give the full identification at the end, a reference. In academic writing, you are obliged to attribute every piece of material you use to its author. One in two admits to plagiarism. प्लेजरिज्म जो है ये एक जो है गलत, जिसको हम एक्टिविटी कहते हैं हमारी रिसर्च एकेडमिक्स में, कि किसी के काम को, किसी की रिसर्च वर्क को हम जो है वो अपने इसका आर्टिकल का, थीसिस का, सिनॉप्सिस का हिस्सा बनाएं और हम उसको कोट ना करें, हम उसको रेफरेंस ना दें। तो एक या दो या तीन में से कोई एक ऐसा होता है जो कि प्लेजरिज्म जरूर करता है। When to do it, जो हम रेफरेंस क्यों करते हैं, you must cite your source when you quote from someone work, when you paraphrase someone work, when you use to or refer to published data, when you follow someone research method, when you use any idea from someone work. Why cite or reference? Credit sources of information and ideas. The reader can locate for further information if required, validate argument, increase and spread knowledge, show depth, breadth, and quality of your reading. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is stating an idea in your own word. आपने अपना जो काम है उसको दूसरे से, तो आपने उसका आइडिया लेना है, आपने उससे उसके जो वर्ड्स हैं वो जो है लेने हैं, लेकिन उसको अपने अंदाज में, अपने अल्फाज में लिखना है। टू प्रॉपरली पैराफ्रेज यू मस्ट सिग्निफिकेंटली चेंज द वर्डिंग, phrasing and sentence structure of the source. What is summarizing? Summarizing are significantly shorter than the original and take a broad overview of the source material. Again, it is necessary to attribute summarized ideas to their original sources. Summarize when you want to establish background or offer an overview of a topic. You want to describe knowledge from several sources about a topic. What is quoting? Quotations are the exact words of an author copied directly from a source word for word. Quotation must be cited in your text and in your works cited page like MLA format or reference page EPA format. Use quotations when you want to add the power of an author's words to support your argument. You want to disagree with an author's argument. You want to highlight particularly eloquent or powerful phrases or passages. Now introducing quotes, like use signal phrases, हम कहते हैं the author argues, observes, insists, write, counter, reveals, and many more. What is plagiarism? It is taking and using another person's thought, word, judgment, idea, etc. as your own without any indication that they are those of another person. It is a serious academic offense and can result in severe disciplinary action. Why paraphrase instead of quoting? The think of quotation marks as double scissors, literally cutting out and lifting information into your paper. If the exact word of the author are not important, think about paraphrasing. Quoting versus paraphrasing. Look at the difference in the following examples. Aliens have been found to inhabit the craggy surface of the moon. Smith 2000. Versus aliens were discovered on the moon. Yes, the difference between the quoting and the paraphrasing. Does exact wording make a difference? The reference to mythology in the garden calls to mind the clash of paganism with Christianity, where Medusa may rear her ugly head over Adam and Eve. References to garden imagery symbolize the Garden of Eden and Christianity, whereas mythology may refer to paganism. In review, when to paraphrase, to clarify a short passage from a text, to avoid overusing quotations, for use when exact wording is not important, to explain the main points of the passage, for use when reporting numerical data or specific facts preferred like in the APA papers. How to paraphrase practice, like the original passage that is the James D. Lester explains. Students frequently overuse direct quotation in taking notes, and as a result, they overuse quotation in the final, like the research paper. Probably only 10% of your final manuscript should appear as directly quoted matter. Therefore, you should strive to limit the amount of exact transcribing of source material while taking notes. How did you do? An acceptable paraphrase, according to James Lester. In research papers, students often quote excessively, failing to keep quoting down to a desirable level since the problem usually originates during not note taking. It is essential to minimize the material recorded verbatim, cited like in the paraphrase, write it in your own words. A plagiarized version. Students often use too many direct quotations when they take notes, resulting in too many of them in the final research paper. In fact, probably 10% of the final copy should consist of directly quoted material. So it is important to limit the amount of source material copied while taking notes. There are different type of the citation style like APA, MLA, Chicago, Caribbean, Harvard, Bluebook, etc. Citation style. And they vary across the university. Your school or department will probably have a preferred citation style. It might even be mandatory to use a particular style. References, significance of citation style citations, whether they are prepared to document the sources consulted for course papers or articles submitted to scholarly journal must follow certain rules of style and structure. These rules governing the required component of citation, the sequence in which these components are arranged, the print attribute applied to certain components, and the punctuation used to separate the components are originally generally published in style guide, manual, handbook, and instructions to author. Differing citation style guides are predominant in different disciplines, different countries, and some are even specific to academic presses and journals. Citations' usefulness for scholarly writers is straightforward. The program helps you collect and organize pertinent information on source work for your research. Citations make it easy to take detailed, easily retrievable research note and to generate accurate and complete citation for your writing automatically. Once your research notes and information on your source work is in a database, you will not have to retype them again. As you progress through your career, you will eventually build a personal database of critical source works and notes dealing with your particular interests that you can continue to draw on for your writing, teaching, and professional development. Because citation is a database program, it will let you search node and sources by topic, source type, data, publisher, or any other information you have entered in your records, providing valuable help during the research phase of writing, as well as helping you include properly formatted citation in your papers and article. Database programs are pieces of software designed to store and codify large amounts of information. Typically, these programs have a user interface that allows a user access to the database. Large online database collections are quite familiar to anyone writing in an academic setting. Database search services that provide information on works published in a wide variety of disciplines are now available on the internet, and most libraries are yes, as well allows searching for their holding on the web. There are scores of smaller, more focused collections as well that specialize in material on particular topics. These large databases are as well as the smaller, more focused collections are indispensable resources for the academic writer. There are recognized conventions for citing the work of others when writing essays, journal, articles, etc. at the point within the text at which reference is made to another work. In text citations are placed, these refer the reader to the reference list, sometimes called a bibliography, which is usually placed at the end of essay article. Secondary references never cite an article you have not seen in full. एक ऐसा आर्टिकल कि जिसका आपने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट देखा है और अब आप उसका आगे जो है यहाँ पे अपने रेफरेंस में लिखना चाह रहे हैं, उसको कोट करना चाह रहे हैं, आप उसको साइट करना चाह रहे हैं, तो ऐसा काम मत करें कि जिसमें आपको पता नहीं है कि आपने उसके इंट्रोडक्शन में, उसकी मेथोडोलॉजी में, उसके डिस्कशन में क्या लिखा हुआ है. There are three main approaches to citing reference: in the author date approach, the numeric approach, the footnote method. First one, on the author date approach, the in-text citations are given using the author's surname and the date in brackets, while the reference list at the end of the document is arranged alphabetically. The more concise author date style has been used. Sorry, the author concise author date style has long been used in the physical, natural, and social sciences. The numeric approach uses numbers to indicate citation within the text, and the reference list at the end is ordered numerically. The footnote method uses superscripted number within the text to refer to footnote at the bottom of each page in which the references are given in full. This is often referred to as the Harvard system, but please note that there is no one Harvard style. You may see many variations in format, like the MLA Modern Languages Association and APA American Psychological Association style also use the author date approach. When two or more references to the same author have been cited, arrange them in the reference list in the chronological order by date of publication. For example, Brown 1991, Brown 1994. When two or more references to the same author have been cited from the same year, differentiate them with an EBC annotation. जैसे कि स्मिथ है 1996 A है और स्मिथ 1996 B. If two authors have the same surname and add their initials in the citation, for example, Smith TH 1992, Smith W 1992. Style guides: rules for the number of authors' names to include in the citation and the reference style are specified in the style guide for individual journal. For example, in the citation, if an item has two authors, use and, for example, Brown and Black 1995. If there are three or more authors, use et al., which means and others, for example, Brown et al. 1995. The numeric approach, the Vancouver system, uses a numeric approach as recommended by the International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, who met in Vancouver and agreed a set of uniform requirements. It is also known as the citation sequence approach. The bibliography is a numbered list of all the items you have cited, ordered in the sequence in which they were first cited. In the text, the number is inserted at the relevant point and can be placed within brackets or as a superscript, for example, within the text of a work. Salt intake is now recognized as one of the most important determinants of blood pressure. For example, Elliott P. Intersalt revisited further analysis of 24-hour sodium secretion and blood pressure within and across populations. BMJ 1996 312 1249-53. McGregor GA. Severs PS salt overwhelming evidence, but still no action. Can a consensus be reached with the food industry? BMJ 1996 and so on. Footnote style. In this style, superscripted numbers are used in the text to refer to citations, which are placed as numbered footnotes at the bottom of the page in which the citations appear. There may also be a complete list of references given at the end of document, which is usually ordered alphabetically. This style is used in some humanities areas. For example, the MHRA Modern Humanities Research Association specifies a note style which uses this format. Uniformity, consistency, and accuracy are the three golden rules. Refer to any guidelines you may have been given for the exact format and punctuation. For example, the year may or may not be enclosed in brackets. The journal title may be given in italics or underlined. The volume numbers may be given in bold. Innumerable variations of order and punctuation are possible. What is essential is that all the required information is presented and is in a consistent style, and so on. Often journal titles are cited in abbreviated format. If you opt to use this style, you must maintain it consistently and use the officially recognized abbreviation. You can look up biomedical journal abbreviation using the journal database in PubMed. All that GAS journal abbreviation sources covers all subject areas. See the ISS citing references web pages. For example, the example which follow are all given in the author date format with the year after the author's name. If using the Vancouver or numeric system, the year should be placed after the source name. MLA style, modern language association style, is most commonly used to write papers and cite sources within the liberal art and humanities. In MLA style, writers place references to sources in the paper to briefly identify them and enable readers to find them in the works cited list. Establishes values for acknowledging sources used in a research paper. MLA's citation style uses a simple two-part parenthetical documentation system for citing sources. For example, Enos, Richard Liu, and John M. Ackerman. Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, that is the journal and antibacterial activity of some compound 44 2013 26 13. अब इसमें सबसे पहले तीन जो है ऑथर्स का नाम है, उसके बाद जर्नल है जैसे कि पाकिस्तान जर्नल ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेज, इसके बाद आर्टिकल का नेम है एंटी बैक्टीरियल एक्टिविटी ऑफ सम कंपाउंड, फिर इसका जो है वॉल्यूम आ रहा है 2013 26 39. So last name, first name, information source, title name, volume, year, pages. Chicago Arthurian style. The Chicago Arthurian style, sometimes called documentary note or humanities style, places bibliographic citation at the bottom of a page or at the end of a paper. Bibliography style is used widely in literature, history, and the arts. This style presents bibliographic information in footnotes or endnotes that usually in bibliography. APA style, American Psychological Association, offers sound guidance for writing with simplicity, power, and concision. APA style has been adopted by many disciplines and is used by writers around the world. A style guide that offers academic authors guidance on various subjects for the submission of paper to the publications of APA. entire manuscript format, double space between lines of the text, heading and figures are tables, captions center Times New Roman, 1 inch margin on each side, 12 size Arial or figures table, align the text on left hand margin, leaving the right raised. Every chapter reference, figures table, appendix begins on each new page, 5 levels of heading. Now there are different tools, software for the bibliography management. These software there are RefFirst, Reference Manager, Endnote, PAWS. अब रेफरेंस टिप इस तरह है कि आपने अपने काम को जो आपने साइट करना है, आपने रेफरेंस के लिए यूज़ करना है, उस डेटा को महफूज करने के लिए प्रॉपरली मैनेज करें, ऑर्गेनाइज करके, अरेंज्ड करके रखें. Now starting out, find the right software that will be for your research work. आपके काम के लिए एक अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर होना चाहिए. When taking notes, distinguish clearly between source, quotations, paraphrases, and your own train of thought. When you are getting through, future-proof your references. Use customizable fields to assign tags, keyword priority. Organize your download, give article or paper meaningful file name and save them where you can find them again. Backup regularly. जब आपने डाटा डाउनलोड कर लिया तो उसको एक प्रॉपर नाम दें फाइल का, उस फाइल को एक फोल्डर में सेव कर लें जिसको आप बड़ी आसानी से दोबारा स्टडी कर सकें. उस बैकअप को आप रेगुलरली चेक भी करते रहें ताकि वो डेटा जो है वहाँ पे मौजूद है या मौजूद रहा भी है या नहीं है. रेफरेंसिंग टिप्स आपके लिए हैं. मेक श्योर ऑल योर रेफरेंस आर इन वन प्लेस एंड बैक्ड अप. नो विच citation style to use. Spend time with your references. It will help with the writing up process. अब टाइम मैनेज आपने कैसे करना है कि आपने रेफरेंस वगैरह का लिखना है तो लीव योर सेल्फ एनफ टाइम. डोंट ट्राई टू क्रिएट योर बिब्लियोग्राफी एट द लास्ट मिनट. सेट aside a weekend more if you are doing a PhD. Use your downtime, the fuzzy hours when you are not creative are good for systematic repetitive tasks. Thank you very much for your attention and patience. See you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.